When we need to rebuild teeth or replace teeth, there's typically a surgical process involved. And a lot of times we're trying to add bone, build new bone. And when we do that, we need to be using the most biologically compatible material we have. We need to use a material that your body is going to accept. It needs to be a material that promotes growth, that accelerates healing. You know, historically, dentists have used bone substitutes from cadavers, from other humans, from animal sources like bovine, like cow or pig. But there are inherent problems with using bone material or growth factors from outside sources. So there's been an amazing revolution that we call PRF technology. It's a process where we draw some of your blood and we spin the blood down a centrifuge until we can select the most favorable parts of your blood. We can get either a liquid or a solid membrane, and we place those materials in bony defects. We use it to cover wounds in the mouth. We use it to grow gums, to grow bone. Because it is your own body's material, there's no fear of rejection. Your body will accept it. It's essentially like taking your blood and pulling out the best parts of it and adding it right where we need it. So it can grow bone, it can grow gums, it can make your implants heal faster, it can make your implants fuse to the bone faster. It's an extremely exciting technology that we are really, really proud to offer.